Look what I found in here this morning. Hello and welcome to Never Done Homestead. Ladies, excuse all the chicken noises. So, this morning, Anna and I were going out to milk, and we're going past the sheep pen, and she goes, "Sarah, there's a lamb in there." I'm like, "No way! There's not supposed to be lambs till next week." Yeah, there was a lamb in there. Maudlin had a single male lamb. He's really cute. Really, really cute. Oh my goodness. So I'm out here in the pasture beside the chicken coop. This is the only place that blocks the wind, keeping an eye on the mountain pasture. There she is out there. I just wanted to make sure that none of the other goats, sheep, or cows, or chickens bother her, but so far everyone just comes over, says hi, and then leaves her alone. So since I'm out here in the pasture keeping an eye on Mama and Baby, I thought I'd take this opportunity and tell you what we've been doing this week. So we moved the broilers, chicks, from their brooder out to their mobile shelter, just right out there. We did that on Friday, so it's been about almost a week now. And I took some video of that, so let me show it to you. Now that the chickens are out on pasture, they're moved once a day. Sometimes we even move them twice a day. Now, one thing these chicks don't like is tall grass. They like it mowed off short about 4 inches or so. Now, we could use a mower, but it's much more fun to use the goats, sheep, and the cows. So we moved all the cows, sheep, and goats into this paddock this morning. It's their first day on here, and by tonight they'll have it mowed off the perfect height for those chicks in the shelter behind the cows there, and we'll turn that shelter and go into here. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of our homestead this week. Next week, I have a good feeling there's going to be a lot more cute lambs. See you then.